Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Makita Brushless Multi-tool DTM52ZX3. Let's see what is inside this box and what features it has. So I'm just going to open it up. So inside the box here is a cordless multi-tool instruction. So there is an instruction menu with this one, and I'm gonna pull out. So this is a skin only. It doesn't have the battery pack. It is 18 volt, but there's no battery. You can see it has the year made, 2023, and the serial number down here. Okay, it is tied with a rubber band here. I'm just gonna remove the rubber band, and it comes with this plastic cover. We're gonna remove the plastic back as well. Now it has a Starlock here. Now in this box it comes with a wood metal accessory on the side here. It's got the wood metal cutter, but that's it, nothing else in the box. It's fairly heavy, quite strong, very well built, but has no battery. You need to, this is a skin only, as most of these devices, they don't come with a battery. You need to buy a separate battery and charger. This is a 18 volt system. Okay, what are some of the features of this tool? It has a Starlock Max accessory mounting system. So this new accessory mounting system is designed for heavy duty applications and provide improved performance. Also with this tool, there is an anti-vibration technology, AVT. AVT with a counterbalance system significantly reduces vibration, making the tool more comfortable to use. So when switching this on, there isn't too much vibration to it. With this newer model, there is also an increase in cutting efficiency and improved oscillation angle of 3.6 degrees, deliver faster, more aggressive cutting and sanding. It also has a variable speed control dial. The variable speed control dial allows you to go through between 6,000 and 20,000 RPM, and soft start feature enable users to match the speed of the application with more control. So you can readjust this dial here. It has a toolless accessory change. The quick release accessory change system allow you for a quick and easy installation and removal of accessories. So you can just open this one up, and then all you have to do is just pull out this pin and then replace your accessories, and then simply just put the pin back in, and then just lock it up. So very quick and easy to use. Now this tool here has a powerful 18 volt brushless motor for maximum performance. It is lightweight. So it is lightweight and compact, designed for easy handling, ergonomic handle with soft grip for control and comfort. So the grip is nice and soft, but yet very strong build. Has an LED light at the top here. So when you switch on the button, there is an LED light to help you work on the area that you are focusing on. Now, because it uses a Starlock Max system, it is compatible with a wide range of Starlock Max accessories. Now, the Makita DTM52ZX3 Brushless Multi-tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is ideal for a wide range of applications, including cutting, sanding, scraping, grinding, and more. It is a popular choice for professionals and do-it-yourself alike. And so that's the reason why I've got one of these. It is I want to get something that lasts long and I can use on a variety of things. So I'm touching on this right now and I don't even feel that much of a vibration on my hand. This is an excellent tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.